Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Net, the ultimate destination for delicious and easy recipes. You'll join me as I whip up some mouth-watering treats that are perfect for any occasion. And in today's video, get ready for this satisfying strawberry shortcake cupcakes. Super easy to make, and I know that you will love this recipe. So if you like content like this, please hit the like on your way in, leave a comment, and also subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is cream together our butter and sugar.
Baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
Next, we'll be adding our room temperature eggs, one at a time.
I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Next, we'll be adding our vanilla extract. So make sure that you scrape down the sides because you know the sugar could be sticking on the sides and we want to make sure everything is well incorporated. So now I have my flour and baking powder and I will be adding this to my wet mixture. You want to make sure you just gradually add this in and not to add it in all at once. And I would like to take this time to thank my channel members. Thank you guys so much for believing in me. It just means so much to me that you guys decided to join my membership, and trust me, there will be a lot more perks coming your way. So thank you again. And if you guys haven't already joined my membership, consider doing so, as you will get exclusive access. And also, if you would like to collab, you also have access to collab with me. So I will definitely appreciate it if you guys consider joining the membership. We do have all levels and you won't be disappointed. So right here we'll be gradually adding our heavy whipping cream just so that you can loosen up the mixture just a bit. We are going to just scrape down the edges so we can make sure everything is well incorporated. So just get your spatula and scrape those edges. That's very important. Now we're going to scoop in our batter. We're going to bake our cupcakes on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started on our frosting. So the first thing we're going to do is mix in our butter, and we're just going to mix this until it gets light and airy. Now we're going to gradually add our powdered sugar. And to that, we're also going to be adding our vanilla extract. Now we're just going to blend. Next, we'll be adding a pinch of salt. Last but not least, we'll be adding some heavy whipping cream, and this is just going to loosen up our frosting. When your icing is close to being done, it should look something like this. Nice, airy, and fluffy. And now that our cupcakes have cooled, I've gone ahead and placed these inside of a cupcake container. And right here, I have some strawberries mixed with 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I left out for about an hour. And now I'm going to be placing our buttercream on top of our cupcakes. Now we're going to take some of our strawberries and we're going to just place it right on top of the cupcakes. And just like that, we made ourselves some strawberry shortcake cupcakes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, and also leaving me comments. I really do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it down below. And until the next video, you guys, peace.